Good morning, good afternoon, and in case I don't see you, great evening. This is your flexitarian friend, Tanti. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a beautiful angel hair pasta. And since I showed you how to make my ratatouille yesterday, I am going to show you how to use it today with your pasta. So we're gonna use an induction stove here. You know what I love about induction stoves is I don't know how they work, but they're kind of like magic. So here's $100 bill, okay? And you notice I can't turn it on. So it's safe for kids. It's not on at all. You have to actually put the pan in there. So to test if this pan is magnetic, then we're going to put $100 bill in there. And then I'm going to use the handles because I semi-boiled already this to put it in here. We're gonna turn it on. Now it's on at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna let this boil. Okay, it's a little bit on semi-vacuum right now because it's been boiling away. And now we are going to take the pasta, and I'm only using a 1/4 inch of the water because you know what? The way how I cook my pasta is with less water, because whenever you boil water and the pasta, you fill it up all the way to the top and then you throw your pasta in there. What happened? Your minerals that are in the pasta, you're throwing them away. So we want to keep the nutrition in and the bad stuff out. Not only that, a lot of heavy metal toxicity comes out from the pans. So this time, we're gonna make it simple, healthy, delicious, and nutritious. So less water means more minerals in your body. Okay, so since I touched the $100 bill, I did not want to touch my pasta. So guess what? What we'll do is, instead, we're gonna use gloves. So right now this is at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very, very, very hot. So guess what's underneath the pan? Yes, you guessed it, $100 bill. Now, if anyone of you can explain to me how this magnetic stoves work, well, that would be amazing. I don't have a magnetic stove at home. I actually have only a gas stove, which I actually love it. This is not a commercial for stoves, just to let you know. I just wanted to do something different in case you were looking at any type of cookware that you want to get for something that will hold the heat very well. And not only that, not only hold the heat very well, but also you want to make sure that all of the cookware that you buy is also magnetic ready. You never know when they're gonna get rid of gas stoves. Here, living in California, I am telling you, they're always changing things. One day something is toxic, one day it's not. Well, they have to figure out sometime. So just wanted to let you know, look at this, beautiful. I always keep an extra boiling water just in case I didn't put enough. But the idea is that we want to make sure that we have enough water just for the pasta to absorb the water. We don't want to throw away that water. I know so many Italians, they'll go like, no. But the thing is, you always have to find better ways how to cook your food. You have to find better ways to innovate, because the truth is we can't be living in the past. Our world is advancing and we need to advance with whatever is going on out there. So see, this pasta is already being cooked beautifully. So I got extra water just in case. And also I'm gonna use the ratatouille that I cooked the other day so we don't have to make any other dish today. So now I'm gonna take the handles off and I'm gonna add the ratatouille, which already has enough water in there. So I was heating it up. I use the same handles. And check me out. This is a delicious recipe made in minutes. See, nothing to throw away. So you're using the juices from the ratatouille. And if I wasn't putting the ratatouille and I wanted just plain pasta, then I would have added a little extra water. Normally, I like to cook with about, I fill up the pan. If it's spaghetti, I fill it up with half full. If it's the angel hair, which is this one, I do a little bit over a quarter full. So in that way, the pasta is absorbs the water, and then I have no water to throw away. Okay, you probably wonder, where's the $100 bill? I want it. Why hasn't it been burning yet? Well, I'll show you the magic. Let me grab a fork. So this is my disappearing act. I knew I was missing something. So I'm gonna test it for, I like it not overcooked, I like it al dente. And so if I need more water, then I'll just put more water. Let's see. Just a little bit. We'll add some oil. Arbequina oil, my favorite oil. And this is done. And ready to serve. Turn it off. What happened to my $100 bill? Is it burned? Oh, it's still here. Look at that. And it's beautiful. It's like iron. I hope you love this recipe. This is your flexitarian friend, Tanti. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and wealthy day. Ciao.